Reading Pioneers is proud to present Simon and Sue Perform, written by Sara Israel. This is Simon, and this is Sue, two little pigs and their little kangaroo. Simon does singing, and Sue does ballet. Together, they decide to put on a play. They practiced all day, sent invites to friends, put decorations on the wall, and hoped all would attend. Finally, the day came. Simon and Sue felt they were ready. But Kangaroo was missing. Oh, he's just over there with Teddy. They look out into the crowd. There were many who came to see Simon and Sue together, performing excitedly. So they stepped onto the stage. Simon began to sing, but his pitch was a bit off tune as his ears began to ring. Then Sue took center stage, twirling and jumping around. She knocked right into Simon, and the two of them fell down. Simon and Sue turned very red. They wanted to disappear. But something happened in that moment. The crowd began to cheer. OMG! Whoa! Yay! Great! Hey! Yeah! Their friends ran up to them, laughing the entire time. What a great performance! They said. It really was sublime. Simon and Sue were very confused, but went along with it. They took a bow with Kangaroo. Their show was clearly a hit. Yay! Woohoo! The end. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to Sara Israel's book, Simon and Sue Perform, a children's rhyming storybook about two little pigs attempting to be brave, handling an embarrassing situation, and things not going according to plan. I love reading this book about motivation and overcoming mistakes and embarrassing moments because these things happen to everyone, even myself. The lessons learned can help all readers move on from these situations and embrace the effort they put into their work. If you enjoyed this book, please support Sara by visiting Amazon, where you can purchase Simon and Sue Perform as a Kindle ebook or paperback for yourself or a loved one. Once there, you'll see that this book is actually part of a children's book series where Simon and Sue also try to go to the moon. You can follow Sara on Pinterest at ESI Publishing, and don't worry, I'll provide all of the links in the description box below. Sara asked me to read this book, as well as others from the Sammy Learns book series on this channel, and I'm so thankful for this opportunity. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your friends and family, and remember to subscribe to stay tuned with the future read alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. While waiting for the next read aloud, remember to visit Amazon to purchase this inspiring Simon and Sue Perform children's book. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!